Using a Phillips head screwdriver, go ahead and remove the center screw. Get up in there and pry right there. Go on the bottom, do the same. You can pull this out, pull that handle off. And what you're doing is you're reaching in and releasing the pin locking on these two little tabs when you reach in with that screwdriver. To install your trim, I want to make sure that the little lock tab itself goes in to the panel when we put that in. So pull out on the handle, push that in, and just press in on the little tabs right there. Install the Phillips head screw and snug that down.